Hi all, welcome back. It's me Jainjejo and you're watching Creative Lab. In today's video, who is this? Oh, stay there. Keep it on the doorsteps. I will take it. You have to keep 2 meters distance while receiving any of the online products, okay? Bonk. So in today's video, I'm going to review on the brand new Samsung Galaxy A31. I will also providing the specs and cons of the smartphone. So let's get started. So this one is the brand new Samsung Galaxy A31 and it is coming in a color Prism Crush White with 6GB 128GB internal storage. Now let's unbox this box and let's keep this phone aside. You can see a phone case inside the box, and this one is a plus point because at this situation while you are buying this phone you will get all the accessories in the box. And you can see a SIM ejection pin on it. Let's open this. And you can see some of the paperwork about warranty regulation and user manual. And about the case, this one is premium silicone plastic case with a blackish fade, and you can see a texture inside, and it is somewhat grippy. And about the phone, this one is a non-Chinese smartphone from South Korea, and this one is manufactured in India. It has got a clean software with no ads and advertisements like other Chinese smartphones are having. You can also see an USB Type-C cable, a 3.5mm earphone inside the box, and a charging adapter with 15-watt fast charging technology, which is sufficient to charge this 5000 mAh battery beast. About the design, this one is made with high-grade polycarbon plastic, in which you will get less chance of scratches when you are using daily. You can see a prism cut rainbow fade with a zigzag design and a Samsung branding logo on the back, and a quad camera setup. Now I am peeling off the sticker. So in design wise, it is having a premium look with curved edges made of good quality plastic. On the right side you can see a volume rocker and a power button. At the bottom you can see 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. On the left side you can see a hybrid SIM slot. Now let's put the case and let's check how it look like. Then also it is looking good and attractive. Design wise and accessory wise, Samsung have done good job. About the display, it have 6.4 SuperAMOLED panel with Full HD resolution of 60Hz refresh rate. It has wideband L1 support so that you can enjoy Netflix and Amazon Prime with Full HD content in 20:9 aspect ratio. And about the security, it have in-display fingerprint scanner with a fast response. You can also see a fast face unlock. The phone is secured with Knox Security 2. It also has an option called Secure Folder to save your personal data. This phone is based on Samsung's latest OneUI version 2.1 and Android version 10 out of the box. This phone is also having an Alive Intelligence feature, the details of which I have provided in the description so that you can go through it. It is also having the sensors like surface level, compass, and all other sensors a phone have. The phone is supported with NFC and Samsung Pay, which is a plus point along with other securities. As everyone knows, Samsung is best for their displays. Along with that, this phone supports Dolby Atoms. About the battery, it is having a 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charger, and you can charge your phone up to 100% in 2 hours. The battery optimization is good, and I didn't find any of the unnecessary battery drainage till now. If you are a moderate gamer and watching online movies with earphone, the battery can last up to 1.5 days. The weight of the phone is 185 grams due to the big huge battery inside it. About the camera, you will have a quad camera setup on the back with 48 megapixel main camera, 128 degree 8 megapixel ultrawide camera and 5 megapixel of macro and depth sensing camera each. On the front side you can see a 20 megapixel selfie camera on the Infinity U notch display. You will get all the camera options like other Samsung phones except slow motion and night mode. You will get a better camera experience because A series is best for their camera performance. In the more option you can see Pro mode, panorama, macro and food. And in the AR zone you can see different kinds of AI intelligence with 3D effects. About the processor, it is having a good chipset of Mediatek Helio P65 which is similar to Snapdragon 665, but it is too old for this price range. It is running with a processor of 12 nanometer with A55 architecture and with a clock speed of 2 GHz. Also, the processor is fine with no lag and no heating issue. The price range of this phone is about 22,000 and it is coming with different color options. I think we can expect the similar price drop like other Samsung A series had. So let's wait for the best. You can do moderate gaming and little bit heavy editing through this phone without any lag and overheating, and if you are a heavy gamer, please avoid contact with this phone. The RAM management of this phone is perfectly good and there is no restarting issue. In my opinion, this one is a good phone, but Samsung have to reduce the price range of this phone. This phone is having a hybrid SIM slot in which you can add 2 SIMs and a SD card which is expandable up to 512 GB. So Samsung have made this phone according to the needs of the Indian users. And the SIM tray arrangement is with a new design. In overall, this one is a good phone in terms of huge battery, premium look, better camera, and an in-display finger of fast response. It can be a best phone of mid-range segment if the company have reduced the price and added a good chipset. Let me know your opinion about this phone in the comment section. And as a concluding part, if you can ignore few cons of this phone, you can definitely go and buy this phone because this one is a good handset loaded with a wide variety of features which you can see in flagship and premium phones. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you enjoyed, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe, hit the bell icon for more creative stuffs. I will catch you in next video. Till then, peace.